Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how we're retrofitting our new Sponsons to upgrade our skis look. Okay, so with the holes closed off except the last remaining hole that was there, we're going to fit the new type Sponson on. Firstly with the last bolt on the Sponsons fitting. Those are the nuts that we're going to use again. Those are the original nuts that came out with the washers. The rest we all bought. We're doing it like this so that we can get the correct position for the new holes that we're going to drill. So we're going to drill an additional 4 holes. So what we're doing now is we're going to measure the distance so that we can get a nice flat, optimal flat surface before we're going to put the new holes into position. You'll see there are new places for the new holes. Carefully marking the new slots. We will center them after we've made the main marks. Don't be afraid to tighten them too tight, make them nice and tight. Obviously not overdoing it. And there you go, retrofitted from old to new and having great fun. Red Rocket out.